Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. Just it will start, will continue. Okay, so in today's session also we people are going to just have a discussion. So let's continue. That a lot of noise you may come, but just wait. We'll just start. So meanwhile, you just let me know voice and the screen is clear for you. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So let's continue. So in today's session, we'll have discussion. The kind of group discussion we'll consider. But before going, I think that since last 2, 3, 4 sessions we people have been doing here for group discussion for a kind of communication activity. So all of you just ensure that you people are feeling that somewhere you people are developing or improving your communication skills. If it is not feeling or if you are not improving on this basis, something is not right. You have to be on proper track here. So in that way, you just try to just communicate me also if you are not able to work on this aspect. So that is also important. Apart from that, you people have to just ensure your writing skills. In group discussion, what kind of writing skills you're expecting? Here you're not supposed to write anything, but once when you are in group discussion room and once topic is announced, in between that you may get 1 or 2 minutes. So in that case, you have to be ready with a pen and paper and you should write important points, even though you know what you're going to speak, or even you know that there is no need to write. In that case also, you people have to write it down, such points, because it shows that you are just noting down the things. Apart from that, you people have to also focus on another aspect, that will be of subject knowledge. It is not all about your communication skills. If your communication skills may be good, but with that your expected subject knowledge also. Apart from that, all you people also ensure you're listening. So it should not be like only you're speaking, but you should listen to other people also. Then next, you just talk about try to show about positive attitude. What is positive attitude? You just try to be in a neutral and open-minded way in discussion. It should not be that you are stubborn and not ready to just maybe change, or no, you're not giving chance to other people. Then also you just think about your leadership qualities. So whenever you are getting a chance to show your leadership qualities, you people have to show. And when you get chance in the beginning, while closing, and in group discussion, if someone is not getting a chance in that case, or if the discussion is diluted or diverted, in that case, you try to bring that discussion on track. In this way, you people can show your leadership qualities here. Apart from that, decision making ability, problem solving ability is there, critical thinking ability, analytical thinking is there. Next is your teamwork. So all you have to ensure that we are discussing it in a group, so there should be a teamwork together. All you people are just coming with some conclusion or something like that, kind of unity that you people have to maintain. You should not get divided into subgroups that you people have to show. And last but not the least, that you people have to pay attention to your body language. I hope that all you people will take care of this body language. When you people will be physically, I believe that your placements will be physically. So you people have to wear a wide smile on your face. Making eye contact is very important, because in this online, we are not, maybe you people are not using your cameras, all those things. It's okay here, but you people learn using eye contact. Also, you people just try to ensure that you are having formal appearance, hairstyle, and all those things. So apart from that, gesture posture is also important aspect of body language. And voice is also powerful tool that you people need to learn how to make impact with your voice on your listeners. So Vijay Bhosle, you joined late and additionally you are not taking care of your mic. Okay, so with this today topic I'm going to give you, and that topic will be like this. I hope that all you people can relate with this topic. This is simple topic. So right now it's 12:56. Okay, sharp at 1 the people will start. You will get 2 or 3 minutes, but nobody replied me. Is it clear? My voice is clear to you, and is everything fine? I think that it is not fine. Nobody is replying, so it means that my voice is not reaching to you or screen is not visible.
Yes, sir. Visible and audible proper.
Okay, thank you, Swati, for replying. So we'll sharp begin at 1 o'clock. So all you people just be ready with this and also consider these aspects also. Thank you, Mahesh, also. And this time everybody try to participate. I can see that there are certain students who are just doing the uh, activity, so others please come forward, because I can see here we are in limited numbers, you know that only 100 students are here in NTSC. Okay, so it is quite simpler for all of us. We can practice together and we can make it happen. So placements will not be a difficult or distant thing for all of us. Time is very crucial for all of us, so everybody take note of it. And those who are speaking, I think that Sagar, Krishna, and from girls also that Vaishnavi is there, and those who are participating, everybody just try to bring all other students also in flow. Just try to make them speak, help them to communicate. In spite of that frequent just telling them, even then also they are not participating. So on your level, you just try to do these activities because it will help you to develop your leadership qualities. So you people can do these things, because I can relate with those who are communicating, those who are connecting here. But if you are not speaking anything, in that case, I may not be able to relate with you. So everybody take or ensure that somewhere you are just improving on English communication basis. Ensure nobody is going to read from internet or somewhere as it is. Don't read as it is. Right now, you people may have a chance to find out, but actual situation will be different. So nobody is going to read it. You are expressing it in your own words. So I think that now it's sharp 1. So should we start? So someone just raise your hand. Those who wanted to start the discussion can raise your hands. Accordingly, I will give a chance. Nobody wants to start the discussion. See, don't expect my interference every time. You should just, you know everything now. You have done for a number of times such kind of discussions. So accordingly, people just come forward and start the discussion. See, topic is very simple: government job, private job. Okay, as there is no one, so therefore Sagar is going to start it, or Vaishnavi is there. Okay, this time we'll give chance to Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you just continue. If it is audible to Vaishnavi, you can continue, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all. I am Vaishnavi. Today we are getting the topic government job versus private job for a group discussions. We all knows that about the government job, the job provided by government in a various field and also in a private sector. The difference is that the government job is provided by government and a private job is provided by some one of the people who start their business. And so I request to all to share their views, and it is golden opportunity to share their views. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Swati Rasad. I am put on the points on government job. Government job provide a good salary. Also, it provide job security, free health treatments, fixed working hours. Also, retirement life benefits also provided. And like pension, they provided our retirement policies. It's all over.
This is for discussion, okay? So it is not for just keeping silence. So Vaishnavi and Swati, they have just started it. A good start is here, but what next? How discussion will continue like this?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonal. According to our today's topic, that is government versus private job. When we are working in a government job, we will have a job security for a whole life, and they also give us the scheme of pension, which majority in private sector it is not provided. And while working in government job, the job hours are fixed. Fixed timing is provided, but when we are working in private sector, we will have to work for uh, more hours, and extra work also will be given. So when we are working in private sector, we should have that tendency to accept the ups and downs while working in private sector, because when we are working in private sector, it might be possible that when company is getting a benefit, then we will get benefit, but when company is getting some problems, then we should accept that problems also.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini. I agree with Sonal. Government job is good, and in government job, secure and fixed job. In that, government provides all facility for family. Over.
We know that today's condition due to COVID-19, many people lose their job in private sector. This is the disadvantage of private job.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rituja Shirke, and I would like to forward that point that government job are the best because it is not easy to remove a government employee from his or her job. So comparatively, government job offers more job security. And apart from salary, there are many other benefits like maternity leaves, childcare allowance, etc. for uh, government employees. Thank you.
But as we all know that getting a government job nowadays is a big issue because there are so less vacancies in government job as compared to private job. So many people refers to have a private job rather than being unemployed. uh, that is what the big benefit of private job.
So right now 66 candidates are connected here, and see that we are about to become professionals. So how we are going to become professionals like this if you're not able to just express our thoughts on a topic given like his, and there is a gap of 1 minute in discussion. In such case, so if it is going to happen, so how and why we should continue such activities rather than it was better we were dealing such theoretical. I can take one grammar topic and we can continue. And it's okay that whether you are just getting it or not it. Right now, this is for of your beneficial. This is going to help you, and you people are not participating here. So everyone try to speak here because I cannot take specific names, but in fact, I feel that everybody should try.
According to me, both jobs are good. It depends upon what quality you have and what is your strength to do work. It is total depend upon us what outcomes you give. Then we get the benefit according to that.
Swati, your voice is not clear. I think that a little bit network issue might be here from your side. So just ensure and then try, Swati.
Sir, audible.
Yes, it's a little bit better now. And also ensure this discussion is not just for girls. Where are boy students? Nobody's trying to speak today.
Hello, sir. Voice is-
Yes, it is cracking a little, but you just try to talk.
Sir. In private job, every day try to prove yourself every day, try best your performance. But in government job, not required to prove yourself every day. This is the point I to share.
Yes, it's got it.
When we are in a government job, the schedule will be fixed, timing will be fixed, and it sometimes get boring, and the environment also get frustrating sometimes. But when we are working in a private sector, there will be some interesting things and exciting things will happen, and also the private jobs provide a good environment for the employees so that they will get interest in their job.
I'm sorry, but I'm totally disagree with this point because in both the sector, the time is fixed for working. According to me, mostly we choose the private sector, and private sector is good because they give the salaries depending upon the which quality that employee have. But in government, the all the salaries are fixed depending upon the position. But it not fixed in private. They give the salaries depending upon what quality you have.
But in depending our work, they give promotion in government sector. Also, salary is increased then.
In private sector, it is also same depending upon our work and our position. They give promotion also. It's totally depending upon our working capacity.
Okay, fine. We want conclusion here now because time we have to consider time span. Okay, and we cannot go for discussing this for half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, so 15 minutes are sufficient time. So someone just conclude now. I think that Aditi, you were about to say something. If you wanted to add, you can say, Aditi.
Yes, sir. I want to say that in a government job there are reservations available. So if any candidate having better skill, they can't get job in government section. But there is no reservation in private jobs. So if a candidate have more skills, then he or she can get the job.
Conclusion. We want conclusion here.
Thanks to all of you for sharing their views, and we conclude here.
Okay, fine. So I would like to really appreciate Vaishnavi that for taking lead for starting the discussion as well as closing it. I think that for closing, Vaishnavi would have said it more in one sentence rather than you can close it by maintaining both balance. I think that you said it in between. Okay, so Vaishnavi, while participating into discussion, you just try to stick to one side, either government or at the private job here, because I thought that you said one common point that both jobs are equal or something like this. So once you introduced
But
with
sir, it is a discussion, not a debate. In discussion, we can put our point in both sides.
yes, yes, it is discussion, all right, but it shows you're neutral. No? Here it shows you're
Okay.
neutral, and it will be better to stick one side. My opinion is that it is right that if you're expressing that is okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
it will be better to stick one side, like maybe government, and you stand with government jobs, or you try to present something like this that others should feel yes, government job is really nice. Or if you're just towards private job, in that case you try to present it in such a way that people will should feel or they will be convinced like yes, private job is nice. This way I just wanted to tell. If you're saying both here, so in that case it's all right, but that could have been used in closing session, or at the time of closing you can use such statement that both are equal or both are important, and it depends on all those what you said like this. So that is my suggestion only. Discussion and discussion, it is okay.
Yes, sir.
So as usual, I would like to really appreciate Vaishnavi for her efforts. I think that really there is improvement. Swati and Sonal, same thing with you people also. With Swati and Sonal, I can see improvement here also. Ashwini, Rutuja, you people were good, but still try to maximize your participation. It was not sufficient. And Aditi, I think that it was too late to take. At the end, if you are saying something that will not be that much effective, rather than in the beginning itself, try to grab the opportunity, maybe immediately, and try to relate with, or as you have just mentioned, you raised a point, important point also, but it should have be in the flow or continuous talk. It would be better. So that you just take care. So everyone, Vaishnavi, Swati, Sonal, Ashwini, Rutuja, and Aditi, all of you people, just ensure that you people are doing it, keep it up, and try to just take it to next level. I'm sure that all you people will get a lot of benefited by such discussions and your practice. That's all for today. So can we go with another topic, or you have something? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any questions? If not, then we'll go with another topic. So you just tell me, what do you want? Should we want some other topic and discussion, or because there is plenty of times left? I think Krishna, you are about to unmute at the end of the session, or you are about to take the chance to close, but that was too late. So for that, we'll start with another topic. Okay, we'll come with another topic. Immediately, we will just get one more topic. All of you ensure that the points which we people have just mentioned, that you people are going to involve. So you can just suggest me a topic. Any topic you have? If you have any suggestions, you just try to tell me. Like this, which should be simple that everybody can be able to speak about. Have we done on joint family, nuclear family? Can we take this? I think that we have done this joint family or nuclear family. If you remember, you just tell me we have done it. If not, we will continue with this. So I think that that will be better to go with this joint family, nuclear family. Can we go with this joint family, nuclear family? Will it be okay, or you want some other different? You just tell me. Okay, fine. So we'll go with this topic only. So now I think that Krishna, you can just start this discussion. If you want 2 minutes, you can take and you can start. So we'll begin at 125 sharp. 2 minutes, you can get it. Almost 68 students are connected right now. So everyone take note of it. This is not just for getting connected, or that is not just for attendance. Okay. So you people are expected to participate. It is going to help you a lot. I already mentioned it. If you're participating, if you're practicing, that is a kind of thing which will be useful for you. And if you're going to avoid, that will be a kind of difficulty for you, a kind of burden. You'll realize in future that it would be better, how it will be that we have avoided such things. So you just try to participate here. Yes, it's 125. We'll discuss it for 10 minutes. So all of you, I think Krishna, I have told you to start.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, this is very important topic we can say nowadays because family is most important for us. Since 1.5 year we are in our family only, so we have good opportunity to talk on this family, this subject like family. Okay, I will prefer more important. I will give my preference to joint family because whatever joy, whatever things are in a joint family, it will not seen in nuclear family. Actually, since so many years, it was a root totally tradition, we can say that, to live with a long family, to live with in together. But how generation is going on, it's little bit going decreasing, that things are going to nuclear family, to settle down in somewhere, to for job or for anything. But joint family is more precise, we can say that. If one man is earning something, he have ability to feed to our family, and everyone is happy in that. That's a joint family. And we know that nowadays so many stress and so many bad days are coming, like a coronavirus, like many, you can say that. That time no one will help us behind our family. How much we touch to our family, that much effect on our social or any our every reason. That's why I will more give importance, give to joint family only. And this is, I will not say that nuclear family is good or bad. It's a family only. But how joy, how much gladness in our joint family, that will not seen in nuclear family. You know that at the end of our life, only our family only with us, no other. Thank you so much.
Yes, I agree with Krishna's statement. In joint family, more happiness present, more interactiveness, more careness is present, and caring person are involved in joint family. But I am not in unaware of nuclear family, but joint family, more careness persons are present. Over.
In joint family, more members living under the same roof, and in nuclear family, only 2 or 3 members. So I think joint family is better than nuclear family, because in nuclear family, when both parents are working, it becomes difficult to manage our kids. But in joint family, it is possible to manage kids. Over.
With a nuclear family is much more better than to live with a joint complicated family. In joint family, there might be various issues among the family members, as there were various members, whereas in a nuclear family, it consists only the parents and children, so there is no any chance to live as much issues as that of joint family, because nuclear family is best family.
When we are living in a joint family, we will get plenty of support during our difficulties, as compared to when we are in a nuclear family. We will have to face all the difficulties alone. And also, looking by the point of view of financial help, in joint family we will get financial help from family also. But when we are in nuclear family, we will have a financial burden also.
Yes, I am totally agree with Sonal. If we are suffering from a bad time, then our only family will support or help us. This will not happen in nuclear family.
I think that all other are sleeping group members. All. I think that sometimes Sumedh used to speak sometimes here. Mahesh Deshmukh is here. Shubham Badki is there. Okay. Why these candidates are also not taking part? I don't know. Then, so be part of this discussion. Don't just stay connected, Sumedh.
Okay, sir. Well, I am a strongly supporter of the nuclear family because nuclear family is like what we can say, the paradise, because there is no any restrictions or too many peoples and crowded house. So I think nuclear family is a better choice for the city and the working conditions. Like we engineers are working in a city. So family is the best. So geographical conditions are there, and the joint family is just like a boring and too many of peoples and their thoughts and their philosophies are contradict each other, and then there is clash, and sometimes there where the clash begins and very unwilling, what we can say, the unwilling situations arrived in front of us. So much disturbance and instability include in our life. So I think, in my opinion, nuclear family is I think the best for the nowadays conditions. And old traditional conditions are like we go past for initial like a stone age or something, when we are our ancestors are lived with society and they share their food, their knowledge, and sometimes they protect each other. So they happens in the past. Now we are humans are evolved, and I think old traditions and past we have to change, because we are evolving, and if we are not leave them behind, I think we get extinct in future. So I think nuclear family is the future, and many peoples are accepting it. So I think it is better, and maybe it grow in future also, this ideology. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, all right. I think that there is no further discussion is about to happen. So let's better that we'll close it. And I think that these are not useful sessions, only few students. I think that those who are here, Swati, Sonal, Ashwini, or Meenakshi, and maybe Aditya and Chaitali, all you people just ensure that you people are doing it on regular basis. Others, you people are connecting here, but if you're not participating, that's of no use. And see, why you are not participating, I don't know, whether you are maybe not able to come here. We are not to check your communication, but here we are just practicing, we are learning, we are listening to others, and we are just improving ourselves. For that purpose we are arranging these sessions. And if you're not just coming ahead, we are not discussing. Out of, see, how many students? There were almost 60, 70 students. Out of that, only 10 to 20 students are also not coming ahead and speaking. So that is not fair at all. So you people take note of it. So let's conclude this topic here. So let me ask roll number 14, Aishwarya, will you conclude this?
Yes, sir.
So conclude this topic.
Yes, sir. As we know, family is very important. It might be joint or nuclear, but I think that family is in family there is a crash or happiness is there now. So both families are it's good for us.
Okay, anyway, we have done with this, but see, I'm not happy that day by day we should be improving, but maybe your attitude maybe towards this discussion may not be positive. So therefore, somehow we have done it. So those who participated, that's fine, but those who were not here, those who can have, a lot of students are here who have potential and can communicate, but they're not participating. So the problem is with that only. So in the beginning, Krishna, it was nice, but see, ensure that you don't take immediately chance. If you're going to just introduce the topic, after that give chance to someone else. You don't take immediately, you don't express your opinion about joint family or nuclear family. Later on, one or two candidates express, after that you can take the chance to express your opinion. But in the beginning, it should be a proper introduction of the topic, and there should be a kind of appeal or a kind of request to all other group members to just contribute their opinion. That kind of beginning you just try to ensure. Swati and Meenakshi also, okay, that's fine. Just try to maximize your participation, Meenakshi here also. Chaitali also, same, that you just try to participate more. There are so many things that we can talk about family, families, joint families and nuclear families. We know that what happens, and situations also we can consider. So that you people have to ensure, okay. So Sumed, I think that was unprepared approach. You were not prepared to just participate here, but I suddenly asked to take your name. So therefore you spoke it, and maybe you spoke it, but it was unprepared. So little bit thought needs to be given what you're going to express it. It's fine. Aishwarya, that's fine as far as conclusion, but that is not satisfactory. You have to learn much more, or how to conclude a topic. That should be, you can just find it out more. Okay, so
Yes,
you can,
yes.
yes, all right. You would have said more about joint family or nuclear family. All right, so I think that time is also about to end. So we'll take attendance here today, and you people tell me what should we take in next session, whether you want to carry this on, or should I switch to some grammar exercise and I can continue with this? Because if nobody's speaking in that time, I don't feel better. I feel that this is a kind of waste of time. Okay, so you people just tell me what should we do have in next session. So from roll number 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, division A, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 31, 33, 36, 37, 40, 41, 44, 45, 47, 50. So these are just present numbers. I just announced roll number 2, 4, or absent numbers are 1, 3, 7, then 26, 30, 32, 34, 35, 38, 39, 42, 43, 46, 48, 49, and 51. These are absent numbers from division A. And from division B, roll number 1, 6, 7, 9, 12, 13. Which 12? Okay, which 12? Sonali. Okay, 12 present. 13 absent. 17. 22. 1 minute. 22 absent. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 absent. Yes, 32. 33, 34, 35. Then 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 absent. 46 absent. So Amar Chabukswar, you have not mentioned your roll number. Who is 32? Okay, Vijay is also present. Use proper format. Amar Chabukswar, if it is audible, you have not mentioned your roll number. 42, who is 42 is also present. Where you people are just connecting? Okay, 42 is also here, but Amar, you just let me know your roll number. So roll number 1, 6, 7, 9, 13, 17, 22, then 34, 35, 39, 40, 43, and 46 are absent from division B. Okay, someone call that Amar Chabukswar and tell him to just mention his roll number. All right, so we'll stop here. So what should we have in next session? You people reply me. What we can continue? Okay, with debate we'll try, because these topics are for debates only, because government job, private job, this is two sides. So you people need to be properly divided into groups for debate. Otherwise, debate cannot be done. Similar joint family, nuclear family is also having two parts. So you people need to take one side or another side, and you have to be present with it. So it will be better if you come with a group, two groups, and then we'll get the topic like this, and there we can have debate. Swati. Okay, so fine, we'll end it. Depending upon response, I will decide what to do. So I will end this meeting. Should I end this meeting for all? Should I end this meeting?